has doubled or thereabouts, and it's time to divide it up so that we can make individual balls for the individual pizza. Since we're going to be making the pizza on the griddle, we're going to cut the dough into 6 pieces. If I was going to make the pizza in the oven and I had a nice big 16-inch stone like the one in our shop, you probably could get away with getting 3 or 4 pizzas out of this dough. So I'm going to turn it over, and it's going to come out of the glass. And you can see that the dough is still kind of sticky, which is good, because what we're going to do now to it, once it's divided, is actually roll it into the balls that will become the dough for each pizza. I'm going to cut it more or less in half. And what we're going to do, each one of these balls has a skin that's on the outside. That skin is going to become the bottom of the crust, and it's a sheet of proteins that are in the wheat flour that are not in any other flour in sufficient amounts to create a good dough for bread. So it's gluten, and it's very important for bread. So let's just finish cutting the 6 pieces, and I will show you how to roll a dough, how to roll one of the balls. And here we go. I'm actually going to start just rolling it, and with my fingers I'm going to start stretching this skin, my pinkies. Every time I go like this, I tuck the dough under a little bit more. Pat it down a little, and the ball starts to form. And there it is. You can see that it's actually sticking to itself. That's right, very good. After I'm done doing that, you can actually see the skin forming. Little bubbles are on the surface. After I'm done doing that, I have to let this dough rest again. It has to rest for about half an hour before I can stretch it out. Because right now that I put it into the ball shape, it's gotten quite tough. So it has to relax before we can stretch it out.